Hi everyone, I'm back today with another monotangle, and today we're going to do rain, which is a perfect tangle for today since it's raining in Texas. And we're going to use our '01 Micron pen or any black pen that you have. We're going to use a pencil, any pencil, a 2B, which is a normal pencil, a tortillon if you have, and if you don't have a tortillon, a Q-tip, or you could use your finger. Now, get yourself comfortable, and let's take some deep breaths to ground us. So we're gonna breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth. One more time. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Now, this is video 13 if you're wondering. So again, being that this is a monotangle, we don't have to use our corner dots, but let's take the time to appreciate and have gratitude for being here again and learning a new tangle. So you can use corner dots if you want. Maybe we should do that. And okay, let's use our corner dots and we'll do a border just because we can. So we're going to do 4 corner dots. And you can put them anywhere around the corner. They don't even have to be even. They could be lopsided. And then we're going to connect the dots. Again, it could be a straight line. Turn your tile. It could be a wavy line. Like that. It could even have a curlicue in it, or any way you want to do it. There's no right or wrong. And then we're going to take our '01 Pigma pen, and we're going to start. So from the bottom border, I'm going to make a slightly curved line somewhere to the top border. Now these could be straight lines, they could be wavy lines, they could be really curved lines. And I'm going to make another curved line that's going to go from the bottom to the side here. Anywhere on the side, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to turn my tile because that is not a comfortable position for me. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start at the bottom and I'm going to curve it to the right side if you turned your tile. Okay, and there's the start. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start at the tip here, and we're going to make like zigzags going across that line. You can make them long, you can make them short, however you want to make them, and then meet at the bottom like that. And we're going to do the same thing with this one. Make our flags, our zigzag, and meet at the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing for the last one. Going out the border, which is perfectly fine, making those zigzags. Now what we're going to do is we're going to blacken all the triangles. So just start coloring those in. I always like to outline the area that I'm going to be coloring it in. Okay. Get a good black covering. And just keep moving down to color all those triangles in. And how's everybody doing today? I'm a little late today because I had to start making bone broth for my dogs, and it's a whole big production and it takes all day. So I'm sorry I'm a little late. My dogs are spoiled dogs, and yes, I cook bone broth for them. Not for me, but for them. I hope people are tangling every day because it really does de-stress you, calm you down, focus your thoughts on the present of what you're doing and not what is going on in the world. Make sure you're breathing, and make sure that your grip on your pen is not too tight. Breathing is good to get that oxygen flowing into your brain. So that's how the one looks. And we'll just keep doing that on all those triangles. And there's lots of free tangling lessons going on, so I would advise you to take advantage of it. What a great opportunity to learn more tangles and new skills. I'm certainly taking advantage of it. And just continue to color those triangles in. I think I'm all alone right now, but I hope you all will watch the replay and try this tangle. It's a fun little tangle. You could use it as a border, a fun border, or again, you could use it as a string to divide your artwork up, or just add it as an addition to whatever you're creating. Now, some people don't like all the coloring. Other people find it's very relaxing. I find that it's very relaxing because it's just repetitive. There's no thinking. Sometimes you just don't want to think because you've funked so much. I hope you're all going to have a good day. I hope your weather is better than our weather. We're expecting possible 2-inch hail and maybe some tornadoes. Not that we need that, or nobody needs that. So just keep coloring, keep breathing, keep a loose grip on your pen. Now, an 01 pen is very small, so if you wanted to color this in with an 03 or an 05 or an 08, that's perfectly fine. It'll be a lot faster. Depends what you want to do. Do you want this to go fast, or are you enjoying it going slowly? It's all up to you. Also, don't forget to turn your tile so that you get a better angle on your hand is more comfortable in certain angles. And just breathe. Hey, hi Sabrina, glad to see you here. I think it's just you and me. And so I'm doing my last triangle. Now what we're going to do to finish this off is we're going to aura all around everything. And so we're going to gonna start ordering. So you can see what I'm doing here. This is a cool tangle. And just carefully aura around everything, turning your tile, breathing at the edge here. Remember, I always tell you that you get the best line either coming towards you or going away from you, not horizontally. And just carefully aura. And then you got one. Now we do the other. And just very carefully do this. Making sure you're breathing. Making sure your pen isn't too tight. Always turning your tile. Hi, Jenny. Nice to see you here. I hope you try this. And if you do, take a picture and put it in the comments for me to see. Okay. I messed that up a little. Okay, keep auraing. Keep breathing. Okay, whoops. Okay, I have one more left. Just gonna meet up with that line. Keep turning that tile. Breathing is key. And just take it slowly, there's no hurry. Stop. Okay. And we're almost done here. Okay, we're done. That's rain. So you could either leave rain like that, or you can shade all around it or shade one side of it. Let's try doing one side and see how that looks. So whenever you put your graphite down, always have the pencil facing the line that you're putting the graphite under. And we're just going to use a little, not too much. Turning your tile this way and that so that it's easier for you to draw. Your hand stays in the same position. Okay, then I'm going to do this one this side. And you just need a little, not too much. You could always add more. But you should try it, Jenny. It's very calming and stress relieving. I forgot where I am. Okay. Yeah, so just, you could always add more graphite, but remember you can't take away because there's no erasing in Zentangle, and this would be really messy to erase. Okay, so then we take our tortillon, and again, we face that towards the line that we're pulling the graphite out from. And you don't use the point. You will always use, if all that wording is in, everyone's comments are in your way, if you're on your phone, you could scroll to your right and the comments will disappear so that you could see. So you're just going to gently, or not so gently, I'm not really doing it gently, circular motions, grinding the graphite into the paper. And you're just pulling it out. And just keep going down the line. And just grind that graphite right into the paper. You could hear it grinding in. Okay. And there we have rain. Now, if you wanted to shade it all around it, you could. And then it would look like the rain was lifted off the page. So now, turn your tile around and see which direction that you like, because there's no up or down, left or right. Decide which is the top and bottom for you, and then add your initials or your chop. I am going to put my chop. And that is my chop. Then you're going to flip it over and you're going to sign it. I'm sorry, that's my dog dreaming. And today, put the date is 4/22. And I said this is video 13. And I just like to put where I live. And that is today's tile, rain. I'll show you. I have one piece to show you. Here's a rain that I incorporated with some other tangles. This was a challenge that somebody gave me. And that is today's tangle, rain. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.